Good morning students. I hope you are fine. We have already discussed about sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. It gives complete idea, conveys a meaning. In this video, we will discuss its kinds. The sentences are of 4 kinds: assertive or declarative, interrogative sentences, third, imperative sentences, fourth, exclamatory sentences. Firstly, we will discuss assertive or declarative sentences. An assertive sentence says or states something. These kind of sentences give information. We use them to share our views or ideas or to state something. It always ends with full stop mark. Declarative sentences are of 2 kinds: affirmative or positive. Second, negative. When sentence simply say or state something. When a sentence simply say or states something, it will be in the affirmative form. For example, I like mangoes. I like playing cricket. These are the examples of affirmative or positive sentences. When we use not in any sentence, that will be negative sentence. These sentences express a negative meaning. Not is always used with the helping verb. We will put helping verb before not. If V1 is given, we will use do or does before it. Where we will use do or where will we use does. When the subject is singular, means she, he, any name, then we will use does. When the subject is plural, then we will use do. So, declarative sentences are of 2 kinds: affirmative or positive. Second is negative. Next, interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Interrogative sentences start with helping verb. For example, is, am, are, do, does, has, have. Some interrogative sentences start with WH family verb. When, why, where. Interrogative sentence ends with question mark. We will use question mark at the end of interrogative sentence. For example, are you going to market? Interrogative sentences are also of 2 kinds. Yes, some sentences response in yes or no. Some questions give the answer in yes or no form. For example, are you going to market? We will give response in yes or no form. Yes or no. But in next example, where are you going? In this example, we can't give the answer in yes or no form. We will give the answer in a statement or in a sentence form. We always use helping verb or WH family verb before the subject. Next one, imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives an order, makes a request, a suggestion, or an advice. That means these kind of sentences are used for giving command, order or advice. Example, put on your shoes. Someone is giving command to put on your shoes. In imperative sentences, always start with V1. Start with main verb. And subject is not given in these sentences, but subject is understood. You is always subject in imperative sentence. Please water the plants means you are requested to water the plants. Imperative sentence always ends with full stop. Next, exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses our sudden feelings of joy, sorrow, surprise, wonder, or fear. In these sentences, we show our feelings. We are happy, we are in grief. These sentences end with exclamatory mark. These sentences usually starts with what and how. I hope so you have understood this topic. If anybody has any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.